Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video for everyone. So today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Boltune 3rd generation truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So this is my fit and sound demo with the Boltune BH023s. Alright, so today in this video I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration, so y'all will get to see how the earbuds look in my ears. We're going to talk a little bit more about the overall comfort. Then I'm going to give y'all two audio sample tests. One is going to be a leakage test and the other one is going to be a sound sample to the best of my abilities. Alright, before we dive in, I just want to verify some things with everyone before we get started. Now I do have copyright free music pulled up, as you can see right there. So we will be using copyright-free music right there. And I do want to verify for everyone that I already have the earbuds connected up. So let me show you. If you look right there, you can see we already have the earbuds hooked up to the device. This is my Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. All right. So you can see it's already hooked up. And I want to show you real quickly that the volume is already set to 100%. So if we volume up, 100% volume right there. I know it's a little hard to see, but 100% volume right there. Okay, sorry that's a little hard to see. Not feeling too good today. A little light sensitive, so we got the lights turned off. So I do apologize for the video quality today. I apologize for that. But I just wanted to show everyone that so they know how everything is set up. Also, all the audio is being recorded via my clip-on microphone right here. So when I get ready to give y'all the audio samples, I'm going to be holding up the earbuds as best I can to this microphone right here. Okay, so now everyone knows the complete setup for this video. Let's dive straight in. The first thing I want to start off with is a fitting demonstration. So I don't know if you could tell, but I already have the earbuds in my ears. All right, so you can see from a distance, it actually looks really good. Now, what I also do is I have a close-up B-roll of the earbuds, so y'all can get a nice close-up shot of the individual earbuds. That will be up on the screen somewhere in post, so y'all can check that out. But let's dive directly into this fitting demonstration. So turning to the right, you can see the right earbud here. Check it out, check it out. And I do like the way it conforms to the side of my face. It's extremely comfortable, extremely lightweight, very good for extended listening sessions. I can't complain on that one. All right, turning to the left, same thing. All right, now in particular, as I said in the unboxing, I tried some of the tips that came with it, didn't really like it. So I went to get the first generation and I put the first generation tips on there and it fits perfectly. Okay, so you know, you gotta mess around with it till you find the best fit. But here's the left. Okay. And here's the right. Okay. So real quick fitting demonstration there. Now let's go ahead and jump directly into the sound samples. So the first test we're gonna do is a leakage test. And I want y'all to let me know if you could pick up any leakage coming off of the earbuds. Now, it's less than a foot away from the microphone, so this should give y'all a really good idea of the overall leakage coming off of the earbuds. So let's go ahead and push play now. Let's go. As a matter of fact, it's double tap for play and pause. There we go. Sound good. Here we go, check the leakage. Woo! Try not to move my chair too much. Woo! Okay, let me pause this. Double tap. Oh, my bad. Double tap for the pause. There we go. Man, whoo! Alright, yes. Okay, so real quick leakage test. Let me give y'all my thoughts. Now, in terms of the volume, it's really good. It's not the best volume overall, but it gets nice and loud. I would like a little bit more volume, but it gets good enough, so it's really good. In terms of the bass, it's very, very nicely balanced. Not too deep, not too muddy, not too overbearing. Just a very nice and balanced overall bass. Now, me, myself, I want just a little bit more punch out of it, but it's really good bass overall. You can really feel it. Now, a little bit more punch would add just a little bit more depth, but it's really good overall bass. Very nicely balanced. All right. And in terms of the sound quality, really, really good overall sound quality as well. I can easily make out the different instruments. I can make out the different tunes, the highs, the lows, the mids. So the sound quality on here is really nice as well. All right. That's just my thoughts and my opinions. We can feel free to disagree as long as we can do so respectfully down below in the comments. Did that rhyme? I think it did. Hashtag bars. I think it did rhyme. Okay. My bad, y'all. My bad. I couldn't help myself. Okay. So real quick, my thoughts on this. I'll reiterate this in the full review. Now let me give y'all a sound sample for yourselves. So let me go ahead and restart the track. Not a fan of the touch control, so we're going to use it on the device. And I'm going to hold it up and push play. So let's push play. Alright. And let me hold it up to the mic. Let me try not to touch the touch controls. Here we go. Okay, that should do it. Whew, not a fan of these touch controls at all. Okay, so real quick fitting and sound demonstration. Real quick test here, and that pretty much does it for this one. As always, I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all found it helpful. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.